Hi, my name is Mahesh, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of this Orico hard drive enclosure. This is basically the enclosure for, let's say, if you have any internal hard disk and if you want to convert it to a portable hard disk, this comes in handy. So, without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing. So, this is how the box looks like from all the angles. This is not the original price. I got it for around 500 bucks, 500 rupees. We get some papers. This is the registration card and all the other product details. This is the cable to connect it to your laptop. And this, finally, we got the case. It's a transparent one. It looks like this. This is the USB. This is where you connect your internal hard drive. And this is a tool-less process to connect. You don't require or need any tools. Just slide it. Put your hard drive in and you're ready to go. Let's see how the hard drive fits inside. So now I'm going to show you how to install the hard drive. So let's get started. So I have this WD 500 GB internal hard drive, which I just took it out from my laptop because my laptop broke. So first off, we have to unscrew these two screws with the help of a 4-convert screwdriver. There we go. This comes apart. We don't need this. The only thing we need is this thing, which is the hard drive, and this is how the actual hard drive looks like. So take the hard drive, make sure you match all the connectors properly. You don't want to break them in your first installation. You see the points over here? Exactly. This is the smaller section and this is the wider section. So match it perfectly like this. Just give it a push and there you go. Slide the cover back. Make sure it's installed properly. Yes, it is. Slide the cover back. and that's how easy it is. You have a portable hard drive. Now let's connect it to the computer and do a one-time setting on it to make it function like a external hard drive. So let's get started. So now I have connected my external hard drive to my laptop, and let's check what happened. We go to this PC, and here are the 3 drives which I see extra on my this PC section. So basically these are the 3 drives which were on my old laptop, and they're gonna look the same over here. But if you want, you can merge these 3 drives together. I'm going to show you how you do that. You just go to create and format hard disk partition, and then it's going to open right here, do full screen, and disk 2, you will see this 2 drives partition. And basically this is a recovery drive for my old laptop, so it is having a little bit of space over here as well. So this is the major part. So you can do right click, then delete partition, then you do next and finish. So this thing over here will turn black, and you will see something written as unallocated space. After that, you click on this drive, and then you just click on extend volume, and then again do next finish. So it will merge this 2 drive into 1 drive. I'm not going to do that because I'm happy with what I have for my personal reasons and my personal preferences. And yeah, now I'm going to show you what is the speed of transfer. I'm going to copy a file into this hard drive, external hard drive. So right click this PC, I'll put it on the left. Okay, let's do it 50-50 part. Go to my laptop drive, then go to demo folders, then go to this folder. Now I have this demo folder created over here. If I do a right click and go on properties, the actual folder size is around 2.08 GB, so close to 2 GB. So we'll check how much time does it take to copy this folder into our new volume. So I'll use new volume, which is having a space of 221 GB. So right click, copy, and right click, paste. So basically I'm getting a transfer speed of 115 to 114 Mbps, and it took around about 10 seconds for the file transfer. So it's quite fast. So that's about it. I've showed you how to transfer your internal hard drive to an external one. So if you like this video, click on like and smash the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Peace. Bye bye.